Hello. 37 years ago today, on October the 16th, 1988, my parents gave me $100 for an early Christmas present, and I went to Rose's department store in Morristown, Tennessee, and I bought a Fisher-Price PXL 2000 camcorder. Now, this camcorder could only record in black and white, and it used high bias audio cassettes. It had to have high bias cassettes. Normal bias wouldn't work. And because the wheels turned a lot faster, you could only put 5 minutes on each side of a 90-minute cassette. Now, my dad criticized this camera because it could only record in black and white. But I pointed out to him that a color camcorder cost $800. And I sure as hell couldn't afford $800 back in, and neither could have my dad. But I've always liked this camera. And 1 year ago, I bought another one of these cameras on eBay. It doesn't work perfectly, but I'm still glad that I bought it. Well, this has been my video. Thanks for watching.